ॐ शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। चैप्टर 1 वल्ली 1 मंत्र 23। शतायुषः पुत्रपौत्रान् वृणीष्व बहून् पशून् हस्तिहिरण्यमश्वान् भूमेर्महदायतनं वृणीष्व स्वयं च जीव शरदो यावदिच्छसि। Yama tried to discourage Nachiketa first time. Nachiketa didn't yield. Then Yama is trying to tempt Nachiketa, presenting various desirable objects. He is giving a list, this mantra as well as the following two mantras. 23, 24 and 25. Yama is giving a list of gifts he is promising to Nachiketa. You can choose any of these or all of these, but don't ask for one thing, Brahma Vidya. शतायुषः पुत्रपौत्रान् वृणीष्व। हे नचिकेता, Yama is telling. Yama uvacha, मृत्युः उवाच, हे नचिकेताः, ओ नचिकेता, शतायुषः पुत्रपौत्रान् वृणीष्व। Vrinishva, please choose. Putra Pautran, sons and grandsons. Putra and Pautra. And they will have a long life also. Shatayushaha, 100 years of life for all your sons and all your grandsons. Bahun Pashun, many Pashus, many cattle, cows. Hasti Hiranyam, Hasti, elephant, and Hiranyam, gold. Ashwan, horses. Vrinishva, please choose. Bhumir Mahadayatanam Vrinishva. Bhumehe Mahat Ayatanam. A vast abode. Ayatanam means abode. Mahat, vast. Bhumehe, of the earth, means a large kingdom in this planet earth. Vrinishva, please choose. Swayancha, and all these are of no use. If Nachiketa does not have a long life, he cannot enjoy. Therefore, Yama tells Nachiketa, you can live as long as you like. I will not disturb you as long as you don't choose. Swayamcha, yourself. Yavat sharadaha ichhasi tavat jiva. Yavat sharadaha, as many sharats. Sharat literally means one season, Sharad Ritu. But here it stands for 1 year, Samvatsara. Yavat Sharadaha Ichhasi, as many years you want to live, please live. We will see the Bhashya. Eva muktopi punah pralobhayan uvacha mrityuhu evam uktaha api mrityuhu. Mrityu, who was told so by Nachiketa, referring to the previous mantra. Nachiketa spoke to Mrityu. I want to learn it from you. Punah pralobhayan. Punaha, once again. Pralobhayan, tempting Nachiketa. Mrityuhu uvacha. Mrityu said, Yama said, Shatayushaha Shatam Varshani Ayomshi Yesham Tan Shatayushaha Putra Pautran Vrinishva Shatayushaha. Bhashyakara is giving the Vigraha Vakya of Shatayushaha. Shatam Varshani Ayumshi Yesham Tan Shatayushaha. Those who have 100 years lifespan. Shatam Varshani, 100 years. Ayumshi, lifespans, Bahuvachana, because many putras and pautras. Yesham tan shatayushaha. Putra pautran, sons and grandsons. Vrinishva, please choose. Kincha gavadi lakshanan bahun pashun. Kincha, moreover, gavadi lakshanan bahun pashun, many pashus, many cattles. Gavadi lakshanan, gauhu, etc. Cow, donkey, goat. Even goats are needed for performing yajna. Chagaha. So, all these are included in Pashu. Bahun Pashun, many cattles. Hasti Hiranyam, Hasti cha, Hiranyancha, Hasti Hiranyam, Hasti cha Hiranyancha, Hasti Hiranyam. Hasti means elephant. Hastinna Shabda, Nakaranta. Hasti cha Hiranyam cha, gold. Hasti Hiranyam, Samaharadvandva. Ashvanscha, also Ashwas, horses. Kincha Bhumehe Prithivyaha Mahad Vistirnam Ayatanam Ashrayam Mandala Samrajyam Vrinishva. Kincha, moreover, Bhumehe is equal to Prithivyaha, of the earth. Mahad is equal to Vistirnam, vast, large. Ayatanam is equal to Ashrayaha, Ashrayam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, because it is the object of Vrinishva. Abode, a large abode on the earth, meaning Mandala Samrajyam, very large kingdom, empire, not just one small kingdom. Mandala Samrajya, a kingdom consisting of many mandalas, many smaller kingdoms, federal. Vrinishva, please choose. Kincha sarvamapyetat anarthakam swayanchedalpayuhu ityata aha. Kincha, moreover, sarvamapyetat anarthakam swayam chedalpayuhu. Swayam alpayuhu chet. If your own life is short, swayam, yourself, alpayuhu, you have a limited, short lifespan, then all these are of no use. Idam sarvam anarthakam, it is of no use. In that case, ityataha, because of that, thinking that, aha, Yama says, I will give you a long lifespan as well. Swayan chajiva त्वं धारय शरीरम. There is a jiva dharaya in Kailasa Ashram reading, I suppose. The jiva is not needed because dharaya shariram. Jiva means dharaya shariram. In Gita Press reading, it should be jiva. After that, dharaya, right? Separate. Jiva, two jivas are not there, only one jiva. Yeah, only one jiva is enough. Before tvam or after tvam, anywhere it's okay, but only one jiva is enough. Jiva dharaya, one word, it is not needed, just dharaya. Yeah. Dharaya shariram, samagrendriya kalapam, sharadaha varshani yavadichhasi jivitum. Swayancha, yourself also. Tvam, you. Jiva, please live. Jiva is equal to shariram dharaya. Hold on to your body. Retain your body. Same body. How long? Shariram samagrendriya kalapam. Bhashyakara adds. Just living is not enough. I should be able to eat rasgulla also. 5 jalebis. Therefore, samagrendriya kalapam. All indriya. Kalapa means a group of indriyas should be intact. The whole group of indriyas should be intact. Indriyanam kalapaha, indriya kalapaha. The group of senses. Samagraha, indriya kalapaha. The entire whole group of senses should function properly. Sharadaha is equal to varshani, years. Yavadichhasi jivitum. Yavat tvam jivitum ichhasi. As long as you want to live, you can live. The list continues. Etattulyam yadi manyase varam vrinishvavittam chirajivikancha mahabhumau nachiketastvamedhi kamanantva kamabhajam karomi. So, yadi, if anyam varam, any other vara, anyam we have to supply, any other vara, etat tulyam manyase, you consider equivalent to this vara, any other vara which you consider equivalent to this. Vrinishva, please ask for that. Vittam chirajivikancha vrinishva, you can ask for wealth. Yama himself is giving some options. What vara can be equal to this? Vitta, wealth. And chirajivika, long life. You can become a chiranjeevi. You can become a babaji. Mahabhumau nachiketastvamedhi. He Nachiketaha, O Nachiketa, Tvam, you, Mahabhumau, on the vast kingdom, in the whole planet Earth, which is very vast. Tvam Raja Edhi. Raja we have to supply. Raja Edhi. Edhi means Bhava. You can become. I will make you king of the whole earth. Kamanan tva kamabhajam karomi. Tva is equal to tvam, you. Kamanam kamabhajam karomi. I will make you the enjoyer of all kamas. Here kama means object of enjoyment. The word kama can mean both enjoyment as well as object of enjoyment. If it is karma vyutpatti, kamyate iti kamaha, it becomes object of enjoyment. So sometimes it stands for object of enjoyment, as here. Sometimes it is the very kama, the desire. Kamanam kamaha. So here object of desire. A better way is, better meaning is object of desire, not object of enjoyment, object of desire. Anything that you desire is called kama. Kama bhajam karomi. I will make you the enjoyer of the desires. Etattulyam etena yathopadishtena sadrisham anyam api yadi manyase varam tamapi vrinishva. Etattulyam is equal to etena yathopadishtena sadrisham. Etena sadrisham. Etena tulyam. Tulyam means sadrisham. Equal to, equivalent to, or similar to. Yathopadishtena. Etena means yathopadishtena. Whatever I have told before. Anyam api. Anyam api varam. Any other vara. Yadi manyase. If you think it is similar to this, it is equivalent to this. Tam api vrineshva. Please choose that also. Kincha vittam prabhutam hiranyaratnadi chirajivikancha saha vittena vrineshva ityetat. Kincha, moreover, vittam, prabhutam vittam, lot of wealth, abundance of wealth, prabhutam, a large quantity. Hiranyaratnadi, Bhashyakara supplies, he describes vittam. Hiranya Ratnadi, gold, gem, etc. Chirajivikancha sahavittena chirajivikamcha vrineshva. Along with the vitta, you can take long life also. Chirajivikam cha, there is a cha also, not va. Vittam va chirajivikam. Va means either this or that. Instead of saying va, Yama says cha. That is why Bhashyakara gives the significance of cha. Sahavittena vrinishva. Along with wealth, choose long life also. See, he is very thorough. Every cha, he is giving the meaning, significance. Sahavittena, samuchchaya. Vrinishva ityetat. किं बहुना महाभूमौ महत्यां भूमौ राजा नचिकेतः त्वम् एधि भव किं बहुना. So Yama need not enumerate small things and make the list very large. Instead, he can give everything in a lump sum. That is why Shankaracharya says, Bahuna, Kim Bahuna. What is the use of too much of enumeration? I am not going to, list small things. It will become very big. Instead, at a stretch, I can tell you what Mahabhumau Raja Edhi. Mahabhumau is equal to Mahatyam Bhumau. In the vast earth, Raja Nachiketaha Tvam, He Nachiketaha Tvam, you Raja Edhi, you become Raja, king. किंच अन्यत कामानां दिव्यानां मानुषाणां च त्वां कामभाजं कामभागिनं कामार्हं करोमि सत्यसंकल्पः हि अहं देवः किंच अन्यत. Moreover, one more thing I want to add. Kamanam is equal to Kamanam means objects of desire. Anything that people can desire. And it can be in this world as well as in the other world. Divyanam manushanancha. Divyanam kamanam. The desirable objects, the sense objects that are present in other world. Divya. Divi bhavam divyam. Divi bhavaha divyaha kamaha. And manushanancha. And the kama, the desirable objects pertaining to this planet, human life. Manusha. Tva is equal to tvam, you. Kamabhajam means kamabhaginam, enjoyer of the objects. Kamabhaginam is equal to kamarham. Being able to, one who is able to enjoy the objects is called kamarha. So you will become the enjoyer of all the kamas. Karomi, I will make you. How can Yama do all this? If we say this, it won't happen. I will give you this, I will give you that. It won't happen. But Yama is a Devata. Satya Sankalpo hi aham devaha. Aham devaha. I am not an ordinary human being. I am Devaha. He is in a high position. And Satya Sankalpaha. All his sankalpas become true. Whatever he wishes, it happens because of his special power, special siddhi. Ye ye kama durlabha martyaloke सर्वान् कामागुंश्छन्दतः प्रार्थयस्व इमा रामाः सरथाः सतूर्याः न हीदृशा लम्भनीया मनुष्यैः आभिर्मत्प्रत्ताभिः परिचारयस्व नचिकेतो मरणं मानुप्राक्षीः हे नचिकेतः, ओ नचिकेता, ये ये मर्त्यलोके दुर्लभाः कामाः, the kamas, the objects, the desirable objects that are durlabha, difficult to get in martyaloka, in manushaloka, in this world. Tan sarvan kaman, all those kamas, all those objects of enjoyment, chandatah prarthayasva, please ask for them as you like. Chandatah means ichchataha, as you like you can ask for them. Please ask, prarthayasva. And then he continues the list of kamas which is available in the other world. See, in the previous verse, he gave list of enjoyments available in this world. But now he is talking about the enjoyments, the objects available in the other world. Divya. Previous ones are Manusha. Now Divya. Imaha, these Sarathaha Saturyaha Ramaha, I will give you many apsaras, the women in the heaven, in the Swarga. Apsarasaha, Apsarasa Shabda, Sakaranta. Apsarasaha, I will give them, I will send them with you, and they will serve you, they will make coffee, tea, everything. And they are not coming empty handed, they will come with Sarathaha Saturyaha, Sarathaha, with the Ratha, and they will drive you, take you wherever you want to go. And the Saturyaha, they will come with the musical instruments, and whenever you want them to play music, they will play. So, Imaha, Sarathaha, Saturyaha, Ramaha, Santi, we can supply. Imaha, Sarathaha, Saturyaha, Ramaha, Santi. Yama is showing them, they are in front. Imaha, these. Idrishaha martyaihi na lambhaniyaha. He, Idrishaha Ramaha. Such Ramas. Rama means Apsaraha, not Rama. It is not Rama. So Rama, here Ramaha, Rama, Akaranta Strilinga, referring to Apsaras. Idrishaha Ramaha, such Ramas. Manushyaih, Martyaihi means Manushyaih, by human beings. Na lambhaniyaha, they cannot get, the human beings cannot get such people to serve them. Only devatas get generally. I am giving you a special privilege. Being a human being, you can enjoy them. Matprattaabhihi abhihi paricharayasva. Matprattaabhihi means maya dattaabhihi, given by me, offered by me. Tabhihi, abhihi, by these. Ramabhihi, Ramas, Apsaras. Paricharayasva, get service from them, receive service from them. Maranam ma anuprakshihi, but please don't ask about marana, what happens after death. So Maranam ma anuprakshihi, please don't ask about marana. Ma anuprakshihi, lung lakara. Anu upasarga prachadnipsayam lung madhyama purusha ekavachanam, without at, because mangi, mang, yeah, only for the advanced students, others need not worry much. See the bhashya. Ye kamaha prarthaniyaha durlabhascha martyaloke sarvan tan kaman chandataha ichchataha prarthayasva ye kamaha. Ye, whatsoever. Ye, it is doubled to cover everything. Vipsa, the doubling is meant for, the doubling means, when there is a doubling, it means all objects are covered. It is very common in Indian languages. You double something. So, Sunday, Wednesday, holiday. Wednesday, holiday. Means every Wednesday. Instead of Wednesday, Budhwar band hai. So it is there in, it is from Sanskrit origin. Nitya Vipsayoho. There is a sutra. Nitya Vipsayoho. So it is Vipsarthe Ditva. The doubling is done in the sense of Vipsa. Vipsa means covering everything. So whatsoever kamas, any kama. Prarthaniyaha kama, the kama which you desire, the kamas which are desired. Durlabhascha martyaloke durlabhaha, they are not available or difficult to avail in martyaloka, in this world. This is martyaloka because this is the world of mortals, human beings. We die very easily. We don't know when, any day. Compared to the other worlds where life is more guaranteed. For a long time you can stay there. But this is martyaloka. So, martyaloke durlabhaha sarvantan kaman, all those kamas, all those objects of enjoyments. Chandataha is equal to ichchataha. Chanda has the meaning of ichcha, desire. Chandataha ichchataha, as you like, as you wish. Prarthayasva, please ask for. Kincha imaha devyaha apsarasaha ramayanti purushan iti ramaha saharathaihi vartante iti sarathaha. Kincha, moreover, imaha, these, divyaha, they are divyaha, they are present in the higher worlds, Swarga, the citizen of Swarga, therefore divyaha. Apsarasaha, they are apsarasaha. Ramayanti purushan iti ramaha, and they are called ramaha because ramayanti purushan, they give pleasure to men, therefore they are called ramaha. Ramayanti, they give pleasure, purushan, to the men, therefore they are called ramaha. Saharathaihi vartante iti sarathaha, and they are sarathaha. Rathaihi saha vartante, they are present with the chariots, rathas. They have ratha, therefore they are called sarathaha. Saturyaha savaditraha ताश्च नहि लम्भनीयाः प्रापणीयाः ईदृशाः एवं विधाः मनुष्यैः मर्त्यैः अस्मदादिप्रसादम् अन्तरेण Saturyaha is equal to savaditraha. Turya means vaditra, musical instrument. So they have musical instruments. Tascha, taha ramaha. So Saturyaha and Savaditraha are adjectives to Ramaha. Imaha Sarathaha Saturyaha Ramaha Santi. Sarathaha and Saturyaha are adjectives. So they will come with the Ratha, Vadya, Vaditra, etc. So here you can give a full stop. Savaditraha. Tascha nahi lambhaniyaha. So such Ramaha, such Apsaras, the human beings cannot get. Human beings cannot get such Apsaras. It is the special privilege of Devatas to have such Apsaras as their assistants. So, Idrishaha, such Apsaras, Martyaihi na lambhaniyaha. Human beings cannot get. If human beings cannot get, then how Nachiketa can get? Suppose it is a rule that no human being can get such Apsaras, then how Nachiketa can get? Because Nachiketa is a human being. That is why Shankaracharya says there is an exception. Asmadadi prasadam antarena. With our prasada, with the grace of some devata like Yama, even human beings can get it. Otherwise, human beings cannot get. See, Tascha, Taha Ramaha, Nahi Lambhaniyaha is equal to Prapaniyaha. Lambhaniyaha is equal to Prapaniyaha. They cannot be attained. Idrishaha is equal to Evam Vidhaha. Such, this kind of Sarathaha Saturyaha. Manushyahi is equal to Martyaihi, by ordinary human beings. Asmadadi prasadam antarena, without our grace. Asmadadi, people like us, Yama, etc. Their grace, prasadam, without that the human beings cannot get. Abhihi mat prattabhihi maya dattabhihi paricharinibhihi paricharayasva atmanam pada prakshalanadi shushrusham karaya atmana ityarthaha. Abhihi, by these matprattabhihi, who are given by me. Matprattabhihi is equal to maya dattabhihi, given by me. Paricharinibhihi, they are your paricharini, your servants. They will become your servants. And you can tell them anything, ask them anything, they will do. Paricharayasva, accept service from them. Atmanam paricharayasva, make them serve yourself. Bhashyakara gives some examples what kind of service you can receive. Pada prakshalanadi shushrusham karaya atmanaha. Atmanaha pada prakshalanadi shushrusham karaya. So Make them do shushusha, service, like pada prakshalanam, washing your feet, adi, etc. Washing feet, coffee, tea, everything. Ityarthaha. Nachiketaha maranam marana sambadham prashnam prete asti nastiti kakadanta pariksharupam ma anuprakshihi maivam prashtumarhasi. Nachiketaha, he Nachiketaha. Yama is pleading Nachiketa. Please don't ask for this question. Please don't ask for Atmajnana. Maranam. Maranam is equal to Marana Sambadham Prashnam. Nachiketa is not asking for Marana itself, not death. He doesn't want to die. He wants to go back. That is why we should take Lakshyartha, not the Vachyartha. Vachyartha is the direct meaning. Lakshyartha, the implied meaning. So, Maranam means Marana Sambadham Prashnam. The question related to Marana, death. What is it? Prete asti nasti iti. Prete, mrite, when a person dies. Asti or nasti, whether he exists or does not exist. Iti. Kakadanta pariksharupam. So Yama intends to say that this is a futile question. This kind of an inquiry is not going to lead anywhere. He wants to discourage Nachiketa. And so he gives an example for the futility, uselessness of such inquiry. Kakadanta pariksharupam. Counting crow's teeth. Kakadanta, a crow. How many teeth a crow has? Pariksha, you test. It is a waste of time. So, Kakadanta pariksha rupam prashnam. So, this question is like a Kakadanta pariksha. What happens after death? So, it is not really so, but Yama is trying to discourage Nachiketa. Ma anuprakshihi is equal to maivam prashtumarhasi. You should not ask for this. So, Yama tried his best to discourage Nachiketa by tempting him. But Nachiketa does not get tempted. He is adamant. I want to know about the same truth. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.